Hey, welcome back to the channel, ladies and gentlemen, and how yous all doing? Behind me here we have an old abandoned gold mine site, and just below it we have some juicy crevices that may hold potential. Now, I have figured if there was a gold mine site here and there is exposing bedrock down below this old mine site, there should be some juicy, chunky gold that the old timers might have lost. Now, going off the mining reports from this particular mine site, they used a lot of mercury, so there is a big possibility that we will find a lot of amalgamated gold, providing there is gold in this crevice and this boil hole. Now, I have gone ahead, I have run the gold monster over this particular crevice and this boil hole, and we are getting some iron targets, which tells me that there are heavies locked up inside this boil hole and crevice, and it may be warranting an investigation with the gold pan. I don't think this crevice has been worked in a while, judging off the clay inside it. Oh yeah, you can already see the iron coming out of it, which is telling me since the gold rush days nobody has worked this boil hole, which is a good sign for me. Now, what I'm ideally looking for whilst I'm cleaning this boil hole out is hard packed gravels. I want water worn river gravels to start showing themselves in the bottom of this crevice. Now, judging off the amount of iron I've already just started pulling out of it, it is a good sign and a good indicator that nobody has worked this particular crevice since the 1800s. So, with a bit of luck, we might find some gold in this one, hopefully. I'm not seeing river gravels, but I am seeing some gravels that potentially could have been tailings. But the gravels at the bottom of this do look kind of like tailings, maybe. See all the fine gravels in there. But our first test pan shall tell us if we are going to stick this spot out or move on. We shall break all this up. She shall take me quite a few moments to do that. And then see what the final reveal looks like, eh? Definitely want to break these root balls up and all the clay for maximum results. What do you reckon? We're going to pull 5 ounces out of this one pan, or are we going home broke? Oh yeah, a bit of iron in there. Quite eager to clean it out thoroughly now. Don't know how well you're going to be able to see it, but there is quite a bit of very, very fine microscopical gold in amongst that. So, na boo boo. Let's get that in the snuffer bottle and continue on with our second pan. Let's go for pan number 2 and clean this out nice and thoroughly. Once we've cleaned out this boil hole, I'm going to scratch all this out as far down as I can go, or as far down as my tools will get, because I do have a good feeling about this particular area. Oh, there's a nice deep crevice right next to it. It goes down quite a ways, look at it in there. That'll be where my gold's gonna hide out if there's any in here. But once again, it is very fine gold. Now that we have gone ahead, we have cleaned this crevice out, what I shall do is mosey on downstream with the gold monster. We will cherry pick around, look for our next iron targets in bedrock cracks and crevices. And it's all gold. It's in here somewhere. Hopefully She is not a piece of lead, which I'm probably thinking it might be. We got it. Could be gold. I don't see anything as of yet. Nothing's stuck to our material. Must be a bit of lead. Can't see it. Don't know what it is. Let's get this. Oh yeah, there it is. You bastard. Aluminum foil. Damn it. Thought we're onto a winner there. Just add it into the bucket for safekeeping. Oh yeah. We have found a sweet crevice loaded with iron. I only picked this one up because the detector was screaming on it. I have started scratching it out and we are getting large chunks of iron, which indicates that this is where some good heavies have been dropping out. These are the pieces of iron I was just pulling out of this crevice just here. You can see we got some juicy looking material in here and it goes down quite a ways. So we shall scratch her on out, get all the material out. Let's see if we got a little nuggie.
There you go.
Yeah, not too bad.
Getting much or what?
Oh, not really, not today. I'm... Hey?
Fire a few, wouldn't it?
Yeah, bloody oath.
Worth having a look anyway.
Yeah, that's it.
Well, nice meeting you anyway.
Yeah, nice to meet you. Yeah, no worries. Next time you're down here, come up and say hi and we'll spend a day panning and if you're back up this way.
Yeah. Yeah, for sure.
No worries.
Right,
You too.
good luck.
Yeah, cheers, I'll need it. Oh, more iron. Look at that one. Oh yeah, that is, I am cheering. This is gonna have some gold in it. I almost could bet on this. If I can get all my material out from underneath. She goes down quite a ways. Poor albino neck is starting to get burnt. I think we're getting to the bottom of this one in a hurry, boys. If I'm getting iron, it's a good chance there could be nuggies. We have worked our way down. It would be nice if I had my bait pump. That is all our material. We've got a lot of iron in it, so let's pan this out and see what's in it. Starting to get the iron showing up. There's iron there, there should be gold. Should be. Don't quote me on it though. And there you go. We got, oh, let me get the sun into it. A piece there and a piece there. Now, I honestly thought we'd do much better, and we probably would if I had a crevicing pump and a gold trap to get down deep inside that crevice. But anyway, what I'm going to do is love yous and leave yous, sign off from here. Peace, I'm out, and I'll see yous in the next video.